Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and today I'm going to show you how you can reuse your nail practice hand tips. Here I have a nail practice hand tip with a regular tip just glued to it. So what you will need for this is a metal cuticle pusher, or you can use an object close to it. You just want to make sure that you're able to wedge it in between that nail practice hand tip and whatever nail tip that you have glued onto it. And so there we go. You just wedge it in there and it will come off easy. And then you can also use this nail tip. You see, like I've colored it to reference it back to what color are actually in your gel bottles. So go ahead and reattach that nail tip, and you want to make sure you file it down, and that way you can file off all that glue that was on there before, and also wipe it down with some alcohol and you are ready to go. So like I was saying earlier about the nail tips that you take off, using them to reference your gel bottles, because a lot of times the gel bottles don't have the colors on the outside, or it doesn't really reflect what the color actually is. If you guys like those colors, I did do a review video on them. Go ahead and check that out. Also, if you guys have any ideas or any different ways that you reuse your nail practice hand tips, I would love to know. Go ahead and leave that information in the comments below. That is my video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to really help this channel grow. I'll see you next time.